In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn on an Android device. If you've ever wondered about safeguarding your online privacy or accessing content from different regions, a VPN, or virtual private network, is the way to go. Nordvpn is one of the most popular and reliable VPN services out there, and in just a few minutes, I'll guide you through setting it up on your Android device. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Nordvpn website. It's a good idea to do this through a web browser on your Android device to make the process seamless. Once you're on the home page, the goal is to find the download section for mobile apps. This is where you'll locate the Nordvpn client specially designed for Android devices. You'll see an option to download the app, usually indicated by a download button. Once you've found the download section and clicked on it, the next step is to log in. If you're already a Nordvpn user, you'll simply need your account credentials. If you're new, you can create an account right there. It's straightforward and won't take much time. Once your account is set up, you'll need to navigate to the Account Overview section. This is where you can manage all your Nordvpn details and any other relevant information about your subscription. Next, it's time to download the app itself. From the Account Overview, there is usually a section labeled Downloads or something similar. Find the download link for the Nordvpn Android app. It's essential to ensure you're downloading the correct version. Navigating from your account ensures you get the most up-to-date and secure application. Now, once you've navigated to the download area, you'll look for a button or link that says something like VPN Solution for Mobile or Download for Android. This is crucial because it ensures you're on the right track to getting the app tailored for Android systems. Finally, you'll come across an option that specifically mentions Android. Clicking on that will initiate the download process. You might be prompted to allow permissions for downloading applications from the official Nordvpn site, especially if it's your first time. Once the download is complete, simply install the app as you would any other on your Android device. Open the app, log in with your credentials, or sign up if you haven't already. You'll be guided through some initial setup prompts, such as choosing a server location or opting for additional security features. And just like that, you're all set to enjoy a secure browsing experience on your Android device. Nordvpn on your Android offers easy access to geo-restricted content, added privacy when using public networks, and protections that enhance your overall internet safety. Thanks for following along, and happy browsing with Nordvpn.